Hi, my name is Matt from Haven Home Lighting, and I'd like to introduce you to our landscape lighting system and show you how it works. The Haven smartphone app lets you interact with your lighting system. You can use it for three major things. 1. Adding a new device to your account. 2. Scheduling events and setting up zones. And 3. Real-time control over your landscape lights. Commands you send from your smartphone first go to our cloud server, and from there to your lighting system. This way you can command your lights from anywhere in the world. Our cloud server also stores your account information and settings. Your smart transformer connects to our cloud server using your home Wi-Fi network. We connected our system to an O-scope to show you how a command travels over the wire. The smart transformer is at the heart of your lighting installation. Unlike other systems, our smart transformer sends its control signal over the same wires your lights use for power. This makes communication to the lights smooth and reliable. This is better than other systems because it works regardless of obstructions or distance, making it the best choice for any lighting project. Thank you so much for your time. If you'd like to have some more information, go check us out at havenhomelighting.com.